Hello guys, my name is Rupal from Lexis and Company. Today I'll tell you about a landmark international law case, which is the Nicaragua case, also known as Nicaragua versus USA. It is a significant case that was heard by International Court of Justice, and here is a summary brief of the case. The case originated from the conflict between Nicaragua and the United States during the 1980s. The Nicaraguan government accused the United States intervening in its internal affairs, supporting armed groups, and engaging in military activities in violation of international law. Nicaragua brought the case before the ICJ, alleging that the USA had violated its sovereignty and committed unlawful acts under customary international law, and including the use of force. The United States objected that the ICJ's jurisdiction, contending that the court lacked jurisdiction over the case due to reservation it made when accepting the ICJ's compulsory jurisdiction. The USA argued that the case involved matters of its domestic jurisdiction. Jurisdictional decision. The ICJ, in its decision on jurisdiction, rejected USA's objections and held that it had jurisdiction to hear the case based on Nicaragua's acceptance of the court's jurisdiction to hear the case based on Nicaragua's acceptance of the court's jurisdiction and the absence of any reservations by the US that would preclude jurisdiction. The reparations. The ICJ ordered that the US to cease its unlawful activities and to pay reparation to Nicaragua. The reparations included restitution for the damage caused, compensation to the affected states and individuals, and guarantees of non-repetition compliance. The US initially rejected the ICJ's decision and did not comply with the order of reparation. However, in 1991, two countries reached a settlement agreement, and the US provided financial assistance to Nicaragua as a part of settlement. So that's it about the case. If you have any further doubts, you can comment down below. Thank you.